Greetings from Hoosier Associates. My name is Blake Schoen, and this is my brother Taylor, and we wanted to thank you. We want to thank you for choosing Hoosier Associates to be your insurance agency. We know you have options, and we're honored and grateful that you chose us to handle your insurance needs. You're receiving this video because your home and auto will be renewing in 45 or so days, and we want to take a moment to just kind of go through changes that you'll see in those upcoming renewals.
Yes, it's no surprise that rates are rising everywhere. The cost at the grocery store has increased drastically, and you feel it at the checkout. Well, insurance, unfortunately, isn't immune to that. You're seeing home costs rise 10 to 15%. We're seeing auto rates rise maybe 10 to 25%, depending on the scenario. So you may have a different cost, a different price for your new renewal. So be sure to check that out. Some of the changes and some of the reasons for those costs on the auto side, the cost to repair is drastically increased. We're seeing a deer claim used to be $5,000 to repair. It could be 10, 15, or even totaling the vehicle. So that is pushing down more cost to the policyholders. The rental of a vehicle is also something that has been an issue the last couple of years. It takes longer than 30 days to repair a vehicle. If they're waiting for parts or if there's a labor shortage, you could be 2 months, 3 months, 4 months without your car, and most policies provide only 30 days of rental, if you even have it. So be sure to check out your policy for that too. On the home side, again, we're seeing increased costs, but most people know what's happened in the construction field lately. You're seeing drastic increases. 5 years ago, maybe you could build a house for $130 a finished square feet. We're starting at $200 a square feet now. So be sure to check out your policy limit to make sure it's adequate for your house. You know your home better than any of us. So we want to kind of give you that starting point, and please reach out if you think it's an error. Some other changes that are going on with companies, we're seeing insurance companies shift to actual cash value for roofs based on the year. 20 years ago, it was actual cash value, and then it transitioned to paying replacement costs no matter the year. And as we're feeling more inflation and more pressure, we're seeing companies change it back to actual cash value because they don't want to pay for old roofs. Another change would be deductibles. In the 90s, a $500 deductible was high. And then in 2000, we felt a $1,000 deductible was pretty high, pretty average. And we feel like going forward in the future, $2,500 is probably the future of a home deductible to help combat with raising prices and increased costs. So be sure to take a look at your policies as they're coming out in about 45 days. And we'll be sending some more information about 30 days before your renewal. Take a look at it. Let us know if you have any questions, and we would love to sit down and go over it with you. Again, we thank you for your business, and we appreciate you.